Hello investors, welcome back to the number one place for your investing needs. As the markets are coming down, obviously my portfolio is going down, but either way, I'm going to show you guys all the dividends that I received for the month of February. So I'm going to be going over all of my dividends that I received for the past month. Even though the market is trending down, these are great opportunities for me to keep buying more stocks in the portfolio. As you guys can see, I've been doing, even though this past month the portfolio is down, about $2,000, if you can see right there. I've been adding more to the portfolio, meaning I'm going to be receiving more passive income, more dividend income that I can drip right back into the portfolio and buy fractional shares of more dividends. Now, before we get into the video, guys, I'm going to go ahead and say thank you for 5,000 subscribers. We finally hit it, and that means it's time for the giveaway. So in order to be entered for the giveaway, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you hit that like button for me, and also in order to win, you must guess in the comments below how many shares do I own on my M1 Finance account and my Robinhood account as of today. And today I'm recording, it's March 14th. So as of March 14th, it's not going to count what I buy, in the next week or whatever. It counts what I have today. Whoever can guess the exact amount of shares I have, it's going to be the nearest whole number. So I'm not going to, I have fractional shares, but I'm not going to count that. So whoever can guess it in the comments is going to win the $25 Amazon gift card. I will personally message you the gift card code and I will give that to you. You can write as many comments as you want, so go ahead in the comments and guess below. Alright guys, so before I go ahead and show you all the dividends, I'm going to be showing you guys my charts, obviously. So this is my passive income chart that I've made on Google spreadsheet. So actually right here I have all the months. So I started trading in April 2019. I obviously traded before that, but that's when I started dividend investing. And my first month I only received about $1.26 in passive income, as you can see right here. Then in May it went to $6.33, and then it went up even again, and then obviously down, up, down, down. And then towards the end of the year we were actually keeping up 2 great months. And now we have the February month, which I'm going to be showing you guys and updating obviously for the February month, and then on forward through the rest of the year. So this is my dividend payout month chart that I keep as well, another thing that I've made myself. So these are all the stock holdings that I have in my portfolio. So they're all on the left side of the screen right there. Now these were in order from highest dividend to lowest, but the dividends have changed. So I updated all the dividends, but I have not put them in order yet. But basically how this works is I have my stock, and then I have the percentage that they pay out, and then which month they pay me a dividend in. So ticker symbol T, which is AT&T, it's 5.62% right now, and they pay me in February, May, August, and November. So this is an easier way for me to track what months I'm going to be receiving dividends in. And what months are going to be, like these ones right here are all monthly, so they pay every single month. So it's SPHD, ticker symbol O, ticker symbol LQD, and I believe that's the all 3 of them right there. But I do have some, I even have stocks that are about 0.5%, and it goes all the way up to about 5.62%. So these are all my stocks that I own and how much they pay me in dividends. All right guys, so let's get into this list. So the first stock that paid me out in the month of February is going to be ticker symbol T, which is AT&T. So AT&T, they paid me out $2.23, and they paid this out on February 3rd, 2020. Now, if we take a look at AT&T, they have a dividend of 6.03%. The PE ratio is 16.6 and a market cap of $247.6 billion. Now, obviously, as the whole market has been, having a pullback right now, this stock went from about $39 per share. Currently, it's trading at $34 per share. So it's about a $4 drop. That's over 10%, I believe. But a great buying opportunity, and that's why I've actually been adding, stocks to my portfolio as the prices have been going down. I've kind of capped out right now, and I'm actually waiting to add more, hopefully in the next month if the stocks continue to trend down. But AT&T obviously has a lot of stuff happening with 5G in the future, just like Verizon and Comcast. So that's another reason why I believe that AT&T is a great opportunity to load up some more. That's why I'm going to be adding more to my portfolio. After AT&T, the next one on our list is going to be ticker symbol CVS, which is CVS Health Corporation. So this is a health stock in our portfolio. They paid us out $1.03 on February 3rd, 2020. If we take a look at CVS, they pay a dividend of 3.35%. Their PE ratio is very low at 10.7 with a market cap of $77.8 billion. Obviously, another stock that's been trending down with the market. It was trading at about $75 per share. Currently, it's trading about almost $60, so it's down about $15. Wow, that's a huge drop right there. You know, massive sell-off happening in the markets right now. Markets are crashing. We're actually officially in the bear market, I believe. That happened on Thursday, even though we had a nice run up on Friday, you know, with the speech and everything that happened before close. But everything is, you know, going down, and more buying opportunities for us dividend investors. Next up is going to be ticker symbol VZ, Verizon. So Verizon, you know, another communications company in my list that I have. So they paid me out a dividend of $3.05 on February 3rd, 2020. Verizon has a dividend of 4.54%. Very nice dividend, just like the previous two stocks. PE ratio of 11, super low, 224 billion market cap. If we look at the 1 year chart right here, it was trading about $60. Currently trading at about $54. So it's close to 10% drop right there with the market. You know, Verizon, just like the previous one that we were talking about, AT&T, they have a lot of, you know, 5G competition coming up, just like Comcast. All three of them actually like in a big race to see who's going to be number one in the 5G field. So Comcast, you know, Verizon, AT&T, all three great stocks to hold in the portfolio. After Verizon, we have LQD, which is a corporate bond ETF. So they paid me out 72 cents. And this is actually a monthly paying dividend. So every month they pay out a dividend, as you can see right here, as the three previous stocks that I talked about all paid quarterly dividends. So this one has a dividend of 3.4%, expense ratio of 0.15%. And, you know, they've dropped from about $133 to $123 right now. So about like 8 or 9% drop right there, I believe. So even bonds, you know, they're dropping heavily right now. You know, stocks are losing a lot of their value currently. Everything is losing a lot of value as we're having this pullback. But, you know, as things come back, if we look at China's market already has recovered all of their losses that they had during the virus and during the outbreak. So hopefully the U.S. market can do the same. Even though we entered bear market, I hope we can, by the end of this year at least, hopefully come back up and be back in the bull run like we were doing for many years. Next on our list, we have ABBV, so another health stock. So it looks like we have a lot of health and a lot of communication stocks. So ABBV, they paid me out $3.32. They are a quarterly paying dividend, and as you can see here, they were trading at about $96, and currently they're about $85. So close to a 10% drop, maybe a little bit more. They pay out a dividend of 5.53%, another very high dividend. That's why I added this one to the portfolio. PE ratio of about 15 almost, and a market cap of 126.3 billion. ABBV, I actually regret not buying somewhere around here. Last year when I first started investing in dividends, it was around $60 per share. I bought it actually up here somewhere around 80s or 90s actually, I believe. So this is a great opportunity for me to average down my buy cost, and that's something that, you know, us dividend investors have to look at. We should all be adding to our portfolios right now, because if you think about it, you know, the logic is, would you rather be buying at all-time highs, which is what we were all doing, or would you be buying, you know, at the lows right now where we're way lower than what we were at up here? So it's like, would you rather be buying up here, or would you rather buy down here? I know my answer would be down here when it's in the 70s and 80s instead of buying close to $100 per share. So I'm definitely going to be averaging down my costs on this stock as well. Next up on the list is going to be ticker symbol O. This is a REIT in our portfolio, and they paid me out $1.16 on February 14, 2020. This one is a monthly paying dividend. So every month they pay out a dividend of about 23 cents per share. And they pay out a dividend of 3.88%. Another nice dividend. I like to keep my dividends around that 3% or higher, and the higher the better. But obviously I don't get any ridiculous stocks, nothing like 6%. That's, you know, that's not, you know, safe. Market cap of 24.7 billion. Ticker symbol O is trading at around $82 per share. Currently it's trading about almost $72 per share. And this one's down over 12% currently, you know, in the past, you know, few weeks as everything else is going down. But I actually added a lot more to my holding of ticker symbol O. I added a bunch more shares to the portfolio, so I'm going to be receiving even more dividends in the near future as they pay me out every month and I can reinvest it. So after ticker symbol O, we have sphd. This is a S&P 500 high dividend low volatility ETF. And as you can see, they paid me out $3.31 on February 28, 2020. So the good thing about sphd is it's been trending down. I mean, it was trading at $43, and currently it's trading about $33. So that was a huge drop, as you can see right there, about $9.45 in the past year. So about 22%. I've actually been averaging down on sphd, and I added, I believe, over 1,000 or maybe even more dollars worth of this one into the portfolio. It's, dividend is 5.53%, expense ratio 0.3%. I added a lot to my position with this one because I know, I believe that this is going to trend back up in the near future. But because if we look at the 3-year and then the 5-year, I mean, right now we're back to where we were in 2015 right here. But I believe we'll be back up. It might take some time for us to recover, but once everything recovers back up, we'll be okay. And this is a monthly paying dividend, so that means that I'm going to receive dividends from them every month and keep on reinvesting. And I have so much capital invested into this company that it's going to be a great outcome for me. After this, we have Welltower, ticker symbol WELL. So Welltower paid me out $3.68 on February 28, 2020. If we take a look at Welltower, they pay out a dividend every quarter. So every quarter they pay out a dividend it was 87 cents every quarter. And their dividend is 6.79%. Wow, that is a very, very high dividend. A lot of these stocks have actually increased dividends in the recent times. So if my charts and my spreadsheets are wrong, I have to update the dividend. I haven't updated it in about a week or two. So sorry if it doesn't match up. So their expense ratio of 15.1, market cap of 21 billion. It was trading at around $90 per share. Wow. And now it's trading about $21 per share. So in the past year, this one's down about 34%, but in the past month, it's down about 43% almost. That is a huge drop. So this one is just, tumbling on down. That's actually a lot more than I expected. I did not think this was going to drop that much. Very, very low. I mean, that's the lowest we've been in a long time. Over 5 years, it hasn't been this low. I mean, right there, 50.68, but this made a comeback on Friday. So this was trading below $50 on Friday before the market shot up a little bit. But wow, that is a huge drop. All right, and we definitely have another stock to show you guys. So this one's going to be on our Robinhood portfolio. They paid us out on February 13th, a total of $1.54 for 2 shares at 0.77 cents per share. Obviously, there's a sneak peek of Microsoft for March. March is going to have some very, very juicy dividends I'm going to be showing you guys. A lot of good stocks are going to pay us out for the month of March. All right, so after calculating all of those dividends paid out in February, we came to a total of $20.04. So this is way better, than some of these months in the beginning right here and all these other months. So we've actually been doing good. December was a good month. January was a good month. Obviously, this one was a little bit lower. But one thing I can tell you is March is going to be definitely bigger. And I believe that March is going to be paying me out even higher than December month. I believe we're going to actually hit close to $40 in dividend payments received for the month of March. So stay tuned, obviously, for March. And you're going to see all my dividends in March, probably my best month. And now that I've been adding more stocks, during this dip, I believe that I'm going to be getting paid out even more dividends coming up in the future. And hopefully we're going to be receiving about $500 worth or more, yearly passive income from dividends, or even more, obviously. We're going to keep on shooting up and trying to get that 3% dividend or higher in the portfolio and trying to increase our passive income more and more every year. All right, guys, so if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button for me, subscribe to the channel. If you guys want to sign up for Robinhood or M1 Finance, there's going to be links in the description. You get a free stock on Robinhood, which I'm going to be revealing right here. This is one of the free stocks I earned from you guys. If you want to sign up for M1 Finance, you'll get $10 once you deposit $100 into the portfolio. Make sure you leave a comment in the comments below guessing how many shares of stocks I own on both M1 Finance and Robinhood put together. So it's going to be a whole number rounded to the nearest whole number as of today. So make sure you comment that below in order to try to win that $25 gift card. And let's open up this free stock. We're going to pick this one right here. So let's see what the stock is. Okay, so I've never done it on here. Oh, okay, here we go. So it's going to be Sirius XM, and it's worth $5.78. Thank you guys for using my referral code, and that was actually pretty cool. I've never done it on the computer. I usually do it on my phone app. So thank you guys for signing up for Robinhood, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.